Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and today I'm bringing you my unboxing and first look of the OnePlus 6. Now, I was going back and forth with myself, trying to see if I was even going to order this device, but there hasn't been a new device out in a while, so I said I need to pick something up to get some content on this channel, man. And I've kind of always liked OnePlus phones. I know a lot of people give them a lot of flack for the flagship killer and things like that, but I have always liked the OnePlus phones. I think the last one I actually had was probably the OnePlus 2. I want to say I had the 2, and that was my last one that I actually had. So I'm actually pretty excited to get into this OnePlus 6 and seeing what they have to offer for the price point. So let's not wait no further. Here it is, OnePlus 6. You guys seen plenty of unboxings already. The speed you need there, and over here on the other side you have OnePlus 6. So let's go ahead and snag the knife real quick, and let's go ahead and cut into it. Now, I did order the Silk White version because I wanted to wait until the Silk White version was available. And as soon as it was available, I actually hit that pre-order button and actually got this in. And I really wanted the matte black version, but since they didn't have it in stock, I didn't want to go with the glass back, the super shiny OnePlus. I didn't want to go with that, so I decided, let me go ahead and pick up the Silk White because I did want a matte finish or something of that sort. So let's take it out. As you see, here is that OnePlus 6 and that gorgeous, gorgeous Silk White version. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. We'll get into that in a second. Let's see what else is in the box. So popping this off, as you see, you get everything, all your paperwork, everything is kind of nestled into this box. So let's go ahead and pull this out, which is actually in there very tight. So let's pull that out there and pull this out. As you see, you do get your clear case that comes with OnePlus. Nothing fancy about this, but if you don't have anything on your phone like me right now, I don't even have a case right now for the OnePlus 6. So, hey, this might have to work until tomorrow. I think my first round of cases come in to review, but they do include a clear case, which is pretty cool. Next, let's look at the packaging. As you see, you do get your SIM ejection tool. Now, I will be needing that in a minute because I will be popping the SIM card out of my iPhone 10 into the OnePlus 6 to use as my daily driver. And here you get your stickers, so you get your books and you get your stickers and everything like that in this little compartment right here. So that's pretty cool as well. Getting into it, we do get our signature red OnePlus cable, USB Type-C, and you already know we basically have one of the best chargers that is out for a smartphone, any smartphone that you can receive, even better than quick charge when it comes to the Samsung, and that's this dash charger. If you don't know about dash charging, you don't really know about it. You actually have to use this, and it actually charges ridiculously quick. It's crazy. If I don't have wireless charging, this is the next best thing that I can have. So this is the dash charger. So we're gonna all pop that back in the box. Let's slide that to the side as well, and let's take a look at the actual OnePlus 6 itself. So we're gonna peel that sticker off. Let's get this IMEI information off as well. Let's stick this back on the box. So here it is. Now, I'm not sure if you can get that nice shimmer of that pearl white, but it actually looks very, very good on camera. As you see, you do have all of the rose gold accents going all the way around it. So that's a very nice touch, very different for me from when I usually go for black devices and things like that. Doing this Silk White version was actually a very, very different thing for me. It feels very good in your hands, very, very thin. Let's go ahead and see if it has any juice. Power it on. So there it is, has some power there. Feels very good in your hands. As you can see down here, it says designed by OnePlus. You do get that rose gold OnePlus logo, the rose gold fingerprint scanner, and then you do get your black camera with the outline of rose gold. So very, very good. OnePlus has came a long way when it comes to the build quality of their devices. Because you remember the first one, it was a little finicky. You had that sandstone back, which I absolutely loved, but the quality was a little hit or miss. But as they go, these feel super duper solid. So let's go ahead and pop my information into the OnePlus 6, and I'll come right back, with a quick thoughts of, what I think about it just browsing around the OS. So we'll be right back. Okay, we are back in. I have all my information loaded up here. Just basically sync my Gmail account for right now. I'll go back and do all my apps and everything when I'm sitting down tonight, chilling. But real quick, It feels very, very good. I cannot lie. The thing feels super duper snappy. Everything about it is pretty good right now. I mean, I really have no complaints about it. I can't wait to actually get into this and really use it. And I have already made the SIM card swap over from my iPhone 10. So that's basically already done. I will be moving my iPhone 10 over to my secondary number and even booting my S9 Plus to another line. So I have a lot going on right now with the phones, but I am going to review this heavily. You guys know when I do a review, it actually is full force. I'm not using my other phone at all. I'm going to have it with me, but I'm mostly going to be using this to take all my calls, do all my business, my email. Everything will come to the OnePlus 6 so I can really give you guys an accurate review of what I really feel about this phone, because I really want to get into this phone pretty deeply. I know I say that about a lot of phones I get, and I haven't been doing like I'm supposed to with the camera test and everything like that, but I have a good amount of phones now. I mean, I have the OnePlus 6, I have the iPhone 10, I mean, I don't even know what the rest of them is, but I have the iPhone 10, S9 Plus, and I have the Note 8. So if it's something like a camera comparison that you want me to do, performance comparison, anything like that, drop it down low in the comments, and I'll be sure to see if I can get those videos out to you. But I definitely really want to take a look at this camera and see how it does, because a person like me, I mostly review expensive high-end phones, your Samsungs, your iPhones, and things like that. So I'm not calling this a budget phone because it's over 500 bucks, and I can't really say that's a budget phone, but I want to see how this stacks up against all of the heavy-duty flagships, and they do call themselves the flagship killer. So we always got to see if they can live up to that name. But initially, it is a very nice phone so far. Of course, you know, we're only rocking with a 1080p screen, but I mean, that's what we have to work with. When you're taking a price cut for the price of the OnePlus, you already know you're going to come with short limitations, and two of them that really bothers me is the screen quality, and another one is no wireless charging, because I don't know about you guys, but I have wireless chargers set up everywhere throughout my apartment, and it's easy just dropping them on a charger and keeping it moving. So this will be one thing I have to do, is getting to be able to, you know, to plug that in every time I want to charge it. But it shouldn't be an issue. Like I said, we have that dash charger, so we can get a lot of juice in a short amount of time. If you want to see something in particular when it comes to the OnePlus 6, drop that down below. I'll be sure to see if I can pump out that video for it. Speaking of tomorrow, we already have cases coming in for this. Now, you know, I'm not going to get into a bunch of cases because a lot of manufacturers don't make cases for the OnePlus 6, but I can guarantee you all the heavy hitters that do make cases for it, they're on the way, and we will get into it. So anything you want to see with this OnePlus 6, comment below in the description. If you like this video, guys, give it a huge thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if this is your first time visiting the channel. We're going to get into this OnePlus 6 heavily. You all guys know I love iPhone and Android, so I'm not going to look at this any bias towards anyone. I use both on a regular basis. iPhone, but this is going to be my main daily driver for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I like to tend to take a little bit longer on my reviews, so 2-3 weeks, and I'm actually going on vacation next week, so therefore I'm going to be taking it out of the country, and then we're really going to be able to, you know, take pictures with it, everything like that. So stay tuned on the channel. As always, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, once again subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.